eating is essential for your child's good health, growth and development. Okay, I mean, your child's body relies on the nutrients gotten from whole foods for proper growth, be it mental and physical vitality. Every single nutrient gotten from whole foods is important for a child's what? Good health. Have you ever imagined, or let me just put it this way, imagine one deficiency of an important nutrient can cause imbalances in the system, okay, which can actually lead to diseases in the body. That's why I always say to those who will listen that it is important, as much as it is tough, okay, cooking whole food or making whole food for our kids. Whole food is very essential for your child's growth. We can't even overemphasize on this, okay? It is very, very, very important. So my darlings, as you all know in this channel, to my oldies, I always share food ideas that I pack for my kids to school as their lunch, both food ideas as well that I feed them at home, not just school lunch. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to my channel. I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. As my new viewer, I wouldn't want this video to be the last video that you watch in this channel. What am I trying to say? I would like you to join the family, and it is very simple. Just hit the subscribe button. Don't smash it, just tap on it. And after you tap on it, that's it, you've subscribed, you're part of the family. But please do not forget to also tap on the icon notification bell so you don't get to miss each time I drop a new video. I try as much as possible to show up in this channel every week, sometimes 2 times in a week, sometimes once, sometimes 3 times. It all depends on how much energy I have for that week to shoot content. Okay, with all of that being said, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. To my oldies, you guys already know how much I love you all. Thank you very much for the love, support shown, for the love and support shown to my channel. I appreciate you all. Thank you very, very much. Now, my darlings, I know you've already seen the title of this video, my kids' favorite lunch. Okay, my darlings, without doing much talk, I'm going to share with you guys. I've already prepared the food. Okay, I mean, today is Wednesday, the 22nd of February. Okay, I've already dropped my kids in school. I actually prepared this food in the early hours of today. That was around 5:30 a.m. Before 6 a.m. I was already done preparing it, and Kashifo, I packed it for them and they went to school. So yes, I filmed it while I was preparing it. So that's why I say, why not share it with your community? Okay, my darlings, let me just quickly show you guys how I prepared this yummy spag. Keep watching, and while you watch, do not forget to like this video, as it goes a long way in helping my channel grow. So guys, the very first thing I did was to put the spag on fire, okay, while I go ahead to prepare other ingredients like the veggies. These are basically the key ingredients that I used in making this yummy spag, okay. So here, as you can see, is carrots, onion, fresh tomato. I also added green beans and bell pepper and chicken. Yeah, so guys, that's just basically the key ingredients, and I'll also show you guys other things that I added, like seasoning cubes. So here what you see is me steaming the chicken, and after adding my seasoning cubes, curry and thyme to the chicken, I went on to wash the spag. So my darlings, as you can see, I've already chopped the veggies, the carrots, green beans, green bell pepper, onions and all of that down. Okay, so this is where the proper cooking begins. Okay, at this point, let me just let you enjoy watching how I prepared this yummy food. Okay, but I'm definitely going to be writing down in the caption in areas where it is needed, okay, for more explanations. this point, everything is dry. My darlings, just like I wrote in the caption, the taste of this chicken was indeed heavenly. I mean, it was amazing because it absorbed the seasoning and the taste from the sauce. Oh my goodness. So my darlings, I mixed the sauce together with the spaghetti and that was it. That was it. Just take a good look at the face of this yummy meal. My kids, they don't come back with any single grains. I mean, any single strand from this spag each time I make it like this for them. Please enjoy the view of my cooking. And meanwhile, if you've been seeing food ideas that I pack for my kids to school as lunch, you already know by now that I don't miss adding their food with fruit. I always pack fruit for them. You guys, I have 2 or 3 videos of food ideas that I pack for my kids to school as lunch. I mean, from Monday to Friday. Each of those videos covers from Monday to Friday. So I will drop the link to those videos should in case you would like to see more food ideas that you can pack for your kids to school or that you can prepare for them at home as lunch, dinner, whichever way or time you choose to serve them the food. Okay, mama. So with all of that being said, just note that it is very important to give our kids whole foods as they need all the nutrients that they can get from these foods for proper growth. So my darlings, I'm shooting 2 contents today, okay? So in case you see my next video, I mean the video after this one, I'm still gonna be wearing this outfit. Okay, I'm still gonna be wearing this outfit. Like I said, this cooking video was just meant to be a cooking video, no intro, but I just thought, okay, since I'm already dressed, okay, to shoot the content for this week, let me just do a proper intro for this cooking video. Okay, my darlings, YouTubing is hard. I just have to let you guys know that my next video, you'll definitely be seeing me on this outfit. Just know that this is the outfit I just wore to shoot that content before, doing this intro came up in my head. So my darlings, now you've seen how I prepared the yummy spaghetti, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Please do not forget to come back on Sunday for this week's vlog. Okay, my darlings, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.